Morning all. So we're going to start, I'm going to go and do the garden walk path so you can just get a sense of which direction to go in. Starting off from the lobby of Cabana Bay, you just come out and you're going to go towards the left, which takes you towards the car park for the castaway accommodation over there. And you just follow this path down to the bottom. See a sign here that says theme parks and resort hotels. You do have another option, which is a boat from Sapphire Falls over there. You can, I don't particularly advise crossing the road. There's no crossing there as such. So it's now 9:20 in the morning. Try and see how long it takes to walk this path. How random. So whilst I've come up the stairs, there's a ramp as well if you've got a buggy with your wheelchairs. And this is the safer option to get across Adventure Way, which is just beneath us. And then this takes us over towards Sapphire Falls, which will be on our right. So if you wanted to get the water taxi, just walk this short route from Cabana Bay over the road through here, and then you can walk to the front of the hotel. I don't think your key card from Cabana will work on the rear access point of this hotel. I'll show you where that is. But what you would need to do is head back out onto the street and then just walk back on yourself to the front of the hotel. Like I say, you can risk it and cross the road, I suppose. I think it's frowned upon into over here, jaywalking and all that, but it's not a very busy road, so you can get across. But if you've got kids with you and all that in tow, it's easier just to come this way. So yeah, there's the first access point on the right from the garden walk, which takes you to the hotels, Sapphire Fall and the Adventura. So you just go down there. But we're not going to go down there, we're going to carry on down the path. There's also plenty of benches to sit on this path. So if you're with anybody that wants to do the walk but maybe isn't as able as everybody else, there's plenty of places to stop off and have a rest. So this is the first crossing point at Pacifica Way, should I say. Ballrooms and meeting space. So you've got some of the docked water taxis here. So I don't know if you can quite see it from over there, but just through the trees there is the where you would board, and then you come around here and it takes you under the bridge which we're about to walk over. It's quite convenient. This is the bridge I was just talking about. Yeah, so it'll take you through there. Yeah, there's one of the water taxis now. So then you come over the bridge to your right, down the hill, and then you run in parallel with the river. And then you go back under the bridge, so you're going back on yourself. We've just come over this one, This is the actual roadway, and then we're going to carry on through here. Here's another one, better view of the water taxi from here. So I'll have to put this away now because I'm going to go through security, but it's 20 to 10 now, so that's just took us 20 minutes. And obviously I've stopped to film little bits. But yeah, I'll show you how it pops us out in a minute. I'll have to just put this away. Okay, so through security now. Yeah, 20 minutes, which is okay. Obviously, you're just adding to more steps that you're doing throughout the day, so your feet are going to work more. But if you enjoy walking, that's where it pops you out. Right, well, that's that. So, as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.